When I came to the University of Texas, I did not know what I wanted to do at all. And in fact, I changed majors a couple of times. I started off as an RTF, radio, television, and film major. I made it through one semester of that and realized that it wasn't going to be my thing, and started a biology major. As I was starting to major in biology and becoming more and more familiar with the topic, I was also thinking about, well, what am I going to do with this degree? I'll admit that entomology was not something that I ever imagined I would be interested in. Bugs were kind of creepy and weird, and I didn't know much about them. And I remember being in the university bookstore and looking at the insect book and thinking, I might not take this class after all. And while I was collecting all these insects and learning more about insects, I became totally obsessed with them, and it was just fascinating. So I started drawing them because I was looking at them under a microscope, and I was seeing them in detail, and I just really wanted to draw that. But I thought, I really want to get back into research. I miss asking scientific questions and doing the research and being around the critters. And so I went to Wisconsin and started a master's in entomology. But I started to realize when I was in graduate school that I was actually not a very good researcher. So I took a science journalism course and was completely hooked. Loved writing about science. It also sort of tied into my interest in teaching science. It's a little bit removed from being in front of a classroom of students, but I still feel like through writing you can teach people something that they never knew before. I'm Clippard. I am Communications Director for the College of Natural Sciences at the University of Texas at Austin. I never was sitting in my undergrad class thinking, oh, I'm going to be a science journalist or a science writer when I grow up. It just evolved. It became apparent